Friends, today I bring to us a good news from KuCoin. They are listing a new token into the exchange today called PolkaBridge (PRB), and the trading time will be on 16th of November 2021 at exactly 8 o'clock UTC time. So you do your research and find out what 8 o'clock UTC time is in your own geographical location. I'll also show you where you can actually buy this token to deposit into your wallet. But before I do that, please, my friend, I appreciate your effort in following me through my video. For some of you who have subscribed and for you who have not, please do it to encourage my little work as I'm making this consistent effort in bringing to you all that you need to know about cryptocurrency and crypto listing, so that you will also be the first to get notified. I'll also drop a link in the comment box below for you to also join our Telegram group for free, where I give out free calls on coins to buy, coins to trade. Then if you have other confusing questions about cryptocurrency, you also want to learn how to trade, please do well to join the Telegram group. I will drop the link in the comment box below. Then more about this token, I'm also going to drop the information more you need to know about it on the description box. So let's go to the coin market cap to check the current price of this token. The current price for this PolkaBridge is now $3.06. So now let's check the initial price. I believe this actually went up immediately KuCoin made the announcement. It was around the $2.42, as you can see the price here. So but now is around $3 something cents. So what I want you to do now is to look at where you can actually buy this token today and deposit it. This is actually where you can buy. You can buy on Gate.io, you can buy on Uniswap, Mexi, QuickSwap, and the rest of them. So you might be asking me, will it pump? At least let's expect this coin to hit $3.5 to $4. It's possible, but I'm not promising you. Please remember to do your own research.
Excuse me, boss. You have,
because I'm not your financial advisor. I'm only doing justice to announcement that is listed as you will be expecting this from me. Please, this is not a financial advice. Please, but expect something $3.5 or up to $4. If it makes more, that's a good news, but I'm not promising you. Do your own research, and please stay away from expecting that it's going to pump. At the end, you lose your money. Please, thank you so much for your time.